Welcome back again to my short and sweet channel where information technology and security is really simplified. Just as the channel name suggests, in this video we will look at basic computing in a step-by-step manner. A computer. A computer is an electronic device that allows users to input data, process data, and store data. In computing, a computer system is divided in two categories, namely computer hardware and computer software. A computer hardware is any part of a computer that you can touch. On the other hand, a computer software, these are set of instructions that perform a task. For example, programs, procedures, and routines. For people who are deep in computers, you understand procedures and routine within computers language, but you don't need to worry because we are going to look at them as we progress. Within the computer software, we have two categories of computer softwares. Number one is the operating system, and the operating system manages computer memories and processes as well as all of its software and hardware. On the other hand, we do have application software. These are computer software that perform specific tasks. For example, Microsoft Excel or Word. If we go deeper into computer, inside computer, we look at the first item being the central processing unit, also known as the CPU. This is the main control center of a computer, also known as system unit. What it does is it interprets, processes, and executes instructions from hardware and running software. Let's also go deeper into looking at what is contained within the central processing unit. And we do have the control unit. And what does the control unit do? It manages computer operation by fetching instructions from the CPU memory and translating them into the control signal, meaning signals that the computer can understand. We also have the arithmetic logic unit, and what it does is it carries out mathematical or arithmetical and logical operation. Remember, the invention of computer was to address the complex mathematical operations. And this reminds us of the arithmetic logic unit. As we move on, there is the primary memory. This is a temporary storage where data is held during execution of instructions, meaning that whenever you work on with a computer or you use a computer, whatever you are using, whatever you are typing or whatever you're doing at that time, if it's not saved, then it means that it's actually held in the primary memory, meaning that whenever you restart your machine, anything that you'll have typed or done will be lost. As we move on, we look at the secondary memory, and this is the permanent storage where data is held. When you save your data or your information, this is where it is saved. Also, as we move on, you look at the input devices. The input devices which connect to the central processing unit, and they interact with the primary memory. Also, the same applies to output devices which communicate with the primary memory and it's connected to the CPU. So let's look at deeply into computer input and output devices. So computer input devices, these are devices that allow computer users to enter data into a computer system. And they include a mouse, a keyboard, a graphic, a tablet, a scanner, a camera, a biometric, a microphone, and a barcode scanner. Also, we look at the computer output devices, and these devices receive electronic signals from computer and converts them into readable form that human being can understand. And this include form that human can understand. For example, documents, images, and sound. These computer output devices include monitors, printers, projectors, speakers, headphones, and many, many more. As we move on, let's now look at personal computers. And when we look at personal computers, we think about the evolution of computers that resulted into personal computers. So personal computers are computers designed to be used by single users at a time. There are different types of personal computers in the world at this time, starting with the desktop computers, which are these are personal computers designed to be stationed in a location. For example, under a desk or on top of a desk. It has a monitor, a keyboard, a mouse, a system unit which is also known as the central processing unit, CPU, that we've just looked. Also, there is laptop computers, also known as notebook. This is a portable personal computers with inbuilt monitors, a keyboard, mouse, and it is powered by a battery, meaning that whenever power goes or electricity or there is a blackout, you can still continue working. We also have a tablet, which is a wireless touchscreen personal computer, which is slightly smaller than the laptop computer. Finally, we do have the smartphone. We all know what a smartphone is, and it is a mobile phone that performs many of the functions that a personal computer does. So we look at the way the evolution of a personal computer is evolving. Thank you for staying with me in this channel. My humble request to you is you please hit the subscribe button so that we can share knowledge together. Thank you.